Okay, here we have a pontoon boat that belongs to Our Lady of the Fields Camp. This is a Harris float boat. That's the name that's painted on the side. This is the style of boat that it is. It's also a Royal Heritage. I understand this pontoon boat comes from the early 1980s. The most recent license we have for this, or registration, is from 2012. So the last time this was in the water was quite possibly 2012. Right now, this pontoon is in rough shape. We have moss growing on the carpet. We have cracked paint. We have grass growing through the seats. Animals have eaten away at part of the seats. Everything is non-operational in the steering console. Overall, this boat is in rough shape. But Our Lady of the Fields is undertaking a massive restoration project this winter. When people come to Our Lady of the Fields next summer, they will be able to take a ride in a almost brand new pontoon. Michael Cedar from Cedar Marine Services in Charlotte, Michigan, will be picking up this boat in early October and working all winter on taking this completely apart. They're going to tear it down right to the bones. The only thing left will be the actual pontoon floats underneath and the struts that hold up the decking. Everything else will be gone. We're going to get a brand new deck with very nice vinyl covering on the deck that's water absorbent and non-slip. Very soft. There's a cushion underneath that. We're getting brand new seats, brand new railings. We're going to have captain's chairs, 2 of them, on the front here. There'll be couches and a sectional in the back. There will be a brand new steering console with GPS, a depth finder, fish finder, temperature gauge, and underwater radar so we can see what's at the bottom of the lake. It will have an awning, a soft top awning. This is a hard top. They'll replace that with a Bimini soft top canopy and a brand new 60 horsepower motor from which we will be able to pull kids and inner tubes. This pontoon can carry 16 people at a time. It's 28 feet long. And if we look here, you can see that it's rated to have 16 people aboard, which will be great for taking youth groups out, church groups. This is the project that we'll be working on this winter with Michael from Cedar Marine. We hope that you will be interested to find out more. You can visit our website at olf.camp. That's olf.camp, and find out more about how you can support our project to restore this classic 1980s pontoon boat and take a ride with us next summer. Thank you and God bless.